start the review of XUV300, 10,000 plus kilometers with XUV petrol. So guys, warm welcome to my channel, iPhone Broke, the tech tuber, where we help quality people to pick up quality product. Let's get started. Right, so in this video I'm going to talk about 3 to 4 important things, because already I've mentioned things like overall review, mileage and stuff. And before I start, I will definitely show you my meter, the overall mileage of this particular car, how many kilometers it is altogether. So don't worry about those factors. I will make sure that you get enough details so that nobody has any incorrect information about the same. Now, the first thing first, which we all have to understand, is this is XUV300 petrol, and boy oh boy, I have been mighty impressed with this so-called Cheetah from Mahindra. It has got everything what you need: performance, mileage, looks, road space, everything, the overall presence on the road, highway journey, intercity, everything I'm going to cover in this wonderful video. And of course, the most important thing which I want to talk about, where I'm going to stop my car and talk about, is how it the car, how it drives overall. I've never experienced any bad experience while taking this car to bad roads. So suspension has been absolutely mind-boggling. That's a very good news from my point. Point 2, the mileage. The mileage of this car, as of now, it's giving 14.8, and that is primarily a city. Highway, I've had more than let's say 18.4 when I was driving let's say more than 90-95, but did not cross more than 90-95. So let's focus on the road right now, and we'll talk about the other details. Okay, so the first thing first I want to do is I want to stop my vehicle and tell you the best possible experience which I have got with this fantastic car. Number one information would be the way it moves. I mean, with this particular car, you would never feel a point or a specific situation where the car will give you a bad experience. So let me stop my car here. I'm going to give you the entire experience. Okay, right. So let me just show you the video, the overall MID and stuff. So if you see the MID of my particular car, it shows 10,405 kilometers and the mileage of 14.8, and the rest of the details. Right, so could you hold the camera please? Right, let's talk about the car now. It's been more than 1.5 years since the day I have got this wonderful car going, and I can tell you I've been mighty impressed altogether, because the car has given me unbelievable satisfaction. Number one, I've driven more than 10,400 kilometers. That's number one. Number two, mileage is around about 14.8 right now, as per the current observation of mine. And this is both, bumper to bumper traffic, or a highway, and the petrol and the city run as well. A lot of people have asked me, Amit, if you could show me by filling it up from 0 to full tank and then gauge the mileage. Guys, I've been driving for more than 18 months now, and trust me, I've never had any bad experience with this particular car. So mileage has been really, really good. Let me give you another experience about the overall the feel factor. I would not talk about the car's entire details, because I've already done it in a couple of my videos previously. So you can check that out if you want to know that. But the biggest point what people have been asking is there a vibration when the car has passed, let's say, 10,000 kilometers? Well, no, because I have driven highways non-stop for 16 to 17 hours of journey, bad roads, pathetic roads, but I've never felt at any point of time that this car has given me bad experience altogether. So that's a plus point for Mahindra XUV300 petrol. Number two, the expenses. So when I was making this wonderful car, this wonderful car, I've had a couple of moments wherein, I've had this feeling of, is this a right car? And trust me, after driving for almost 18 months, that question has been blown away. So thanks to Mahindra for that. Now, I primarily talk about the engine, the punch, the performance, what we have, even post 10,000 kilometer, is just amazing. It's just sheer pleasure. Guys, I can also say on this very note that no car in this price segment gives us such fun and such 5-star security rating. So engine specification is phenomenal. Mileage is outstanding. There's nothing called a bump, or let's say any such thing wherein you end up feeling you are somewhere at the bad place, because there's no jerkiness at all. There's no vibration from these pillars, even if you go on the bad road or bad patch where there's not much, enough tarmac for you to drive in. So that has been resolved pretty nicely, and Mahindra has been fantastic. The biggest point I want to talk about from this particular video is it is absolutely least expensive car in terms of maintaining it. I've only had to pay around about, let's say, 3,500 overall, including all the minimum repairs and stuff for the overall the package, the servicing after 8,000. Normally the servicing is after 10,000, but then I was somewhat willing to do this after 8 because I had no time, so I did it pretty early. So 3,200 and some change for servicing. Overall suspension is fantastic, mileage is fantastic. It has unbelievable mileage in terms of overall suspension, the way it feels, the way the steering holds on the highway. And post 10,000 kilometers, I really have nothing to complain. Mahindra people have been good enough to talk to me for servicing and repair, and trust me, it looks really, really cool. I mean, I would not want to say that it is better than Creta or let's say Kia Seltos, but then if I have to compare the price range and the security and the way it drives, guys, I am mighty impressed. I think this is going to go and take Mahindra's name to the next level. So in case if you want to buy this wonderful video, let's start buying it, because the car has all the best possible ingredients right now for this to make a superstar vehicle in the Indian XUV 300 market for SUV and other cars. Well, with this note, I want to sign up with two more important points. So mileage is 14 and above. There's no such thing called wherein I have experienced noise within the cabin after 10,000 kilometers of run. No breakage, no lag whatsoever. If you just leave the early 1,000 RPM channel, everything has been phenomenal. And my experience, which I want to sum up with this particular car, is if you really want to buy an SUV, ladies and gentlemen, go for Mahindra XUV 300, because it's not just a value for money proposition, it's a car which is in the making of a king. Well, with this note, thank you so much. Do subscribe and give us a comment and connect on Instagram and Twitter, because we believe in giving the best possible content in SUV. Thank you so much.